Hey everyone, welcome back. In our orders table, we have customer IDs, but we want to pull in the customer name and sales rep from the customer list table. Let's do it using XLOOKUP. In your orders table, type equals XLOOKUP open parenthesis. Your lookup value is the customer ID in the orders sheet. Your lookup array is the list of customer IDs from the customer list sheet. And your return array is the column you want to bring back, like customer name or sales rep. Hit enter and drag it down to fill the rest. And just like that, Excel automatically pulls in the correct customer name and sales rep for every order. Try this in your own dataset and see how much time XLOOKUP saves you. It's a game changer for clean, connected data.
Connect with us and subscribe for more videos.